Hey, it's Shilpa. This is Chennai Live. We're ending 2020 and yes, that is absolutely spectacular news, but just as important as that is the fact that this year we've had so much time on our hands. I know not many people like it, but the best part is that the OTT platforms came through. All the drama that 2020 brought to us, well, the Netflix and the Amazon Primes, they brought a little better drama, and what better time to kind of take a sneak peek into it than now, right? So coming up, our top 5 picks that you absolutely must watch from Shilpa's list. So as we wrap up 2020, if you haven't watched this movie, I think now's the time to actually switch on your phone or your computer or your TV and just get to it, because this is a must watch. It's called Marriage Story. Yes, it is a movie starring Scarlett Johansson. It's also got Adam Driver, but this time we're not watching glamorous actors. We're watching real people in real homes, and that is where the game changes. Now, about the story, it's super simple. It's about a couple getting a divorce. That is about it, but all the layers and the emotions, the heavy feelings that come with it, that is what we get a sneak peek into with Marriage Story. What is a game changer about this particular movie? A divorce movie, of course, you would anticipate a lot of drama, a lot of fights, but no. It is a refreshing change to see mellow conversations, probably conversations that everyone will have. And then, of course, there is one big scene that has the characters breaking down, and of course immediately I think it kind of puts us on our guard, because you see a lot of yourself being reflected in it, and that is the best part about Marriage Story. It is a love story. I read an interview by the director who said that, I didn't want Marriage Story to be about the divorce, to be about the anger, to be about the emotions. I wanted it to be a love story, and that is exactly what you get. I love the fact that when you finish watching this whole movie about a divorce, it ends on an optimistic note, and you definitely will have a smile. Next movie on the must-watch list is Always Be My Maybe. I know it seems super obvious at this point, but stay with me, okay? So Netflix rom-coms, usually they don't do too well amongst the older crowd because they're always teenage-led, they're always high school contextual, but this one changes it a little bit, and that's what I love about it. You will definitely be able to relate to the characters really, really easily, especially because it stars one of the funniest people you will ever see. Ali Wong is in the movie, and of course her personality shines through from start to finish. What you have to be prepared for, though, is Keanu Reeves. Okay, I don't think we have seen Keanu Reeves as we would in this movie. In fact, if you, like me, have watched Speed, or Walk in the Clouds, or any other Keanu Reeves movie for that matter, you are in for a killer surprise, because this is a personality that you're going to be shocked by. I know I've hyped it up quite a bit, but watch it and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. All in all, I think Always Be My Maybe is a rom-com that delivers exactly, what you would expect it to deliver, but in a less dramatic way, but of course, hilariously funny way. In the last 1 year, if you opened your Instagram and watched people watching a movie, and then you think, oh my god, I have to watch this movie, then this is what the next movie on the list did to me. Okay, it's called Irishman. I wasn't prepared for this, but every single person on my friends list was watching it and recommending it. So FOMO set in, and I was like, okay, I have to watch this. But anywhere that you read about the movie, anywhere that you hear about the movie, they will always say one thing. Movie is 3 hours long. We are from the land of Bigil. Namma Merisal paathirkom, Kabhi Kushi Kabhi Gum paathirkom. 3 hours is nothing for us. So I willingly launched on this venture called The Irishman, and I am so excited I did, because little did I know that the star cast was truly a star cast. Okay, so there's Robert De Niro, there's Al Pacino, all the greats. Ana enna portha varaikum, the one thing that truly set the movie apart is the technology. Okay, so basically the central character, Robert De Niro's character, takes us through his time in a mob. As interesting and as exciting as that sounds, what is just as exciting, if not more, is the technology. Through the time, we are taken back in time, not just with the setting, not just with the makeup, ஆனா ஒரு special technology that's been used to make the actors look much younger. Really fancy and really exciting to watch. Of course, it's an indication of the changing times, but at the same time, the movie is set in a really old era, so that juxtaposition is really exciting to watch as just an audience member. Of course, if you are an old school Hollywood fan, you will like it for the star cast, but for me, it was all about the story. Apparently, it's based on a true life story of a real mobster, so that makes it exciting, but I didn't particularly relate to it as much as I did with the technology. So must watch, and you can thank me for it later. Okay, so the next movie on my list of must watch before 2020 ends, as urgent as it is this movie called I Am Mother. You probably haven't heard of it. It is a hidden gem. Okay, now this is a movie that is super dystopian in its nature, which is to say that everything has ended, the future looks very, very bleak, and technology is all that we have. I do have to say that this movie is truly set apart in its story itself. Okay, so there is a robot that makes a baby from an embryo tank. Okay, everything outside of their particular vicinity is withered and gone, everything is dead, but of course one day there is a knock on their door and they realize that not all is dead. I mean, I feel like that premise is enough for you to watch the movie, but trust me when I say that there is so much more you will find enjoying. For instance, the central character is a robot who is also a mother. As all mothers go, the robot is filled with heart. It is a very emotive robot, if I may say so. So for me, it was really interesting to see that there's science, there's obviously the brains behind the technology, but there is also a heart deep inside. And apparently, it's a very low budget film. So I think all in all, everything rounds up with this particular movie. I Am Mother. You must watch it. Has a great ending. And with that, number 5 on my list, and by no means is it the last on the list, I do have to say this movie is going to wrap up your year with a neat little bow on top of it. It's called Princess Switch, Switched Again. If I were to give you the story of Princess Switch, Switched Again, I have to give you a brief introduction of Princess Switch, okay, which is part 1. There is a princess, there is a regular girl. They both exchange lives because they are identical in the way that they look. That is the premise, that is the story. And with that, Princess Switch switched again, as a tongue twister. And with that, Princess Switch switched again, which is the part 2, introduces a new character, a third character that looks exactly like the first two. I mean, as confusing as that is, you must watch the movie truly because it is, well, generous in its dose of silliness. So the reason why this slightly silly movie is on the must-watch list is because 2020 has been heavy for all of us, and if we have to wrap it up with, well, all the enthusiasm we've got, we definitely need the dash of fun, just a little bit of mindlessness, and a whole lot of Christmassy feeling, all of which this movie completely brings. And of course, it's got Vanessa Hudgens, who is gorgeous as ever in all 3 characters. So I think it's a must-watch, especially for her. I love Christmas movies, and if you do too, this must be number 1 on your list. Alright, 2020 is, well, wrapping up on a really high note. 2021 kulla nama kaaladuthu vekkradhukku munadi, I think this list is a must watch. Of course, idhula vandu pala movies you might not agree with me, but let me know what your favorite movies are. Well, all this and more good stuff coming your way really, really soon. So don't forget to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share. Well, any good vibes that you've got for us, we'll take it. We'll see you soon.